Hello friend, today I'm going to show you how to make IMO offline. Offline means like you are active on IMO, but your friend will see you offline. So that we open IMO, and then you see left side on top your profile. So click profile, and then you go settings, and then you go privacy contact. So you see on top last scene. So if you want to put everyone, that means all of your friend or friends of friends there can see you off online. If you put everyone, or you can put my contact means your friend only can see, your friends only can see you online. And then if you want to put nobody means anyone can't see your emo online. So that is the point here, nobody. If you make nobody, so that you can be make offline your emo. So I don't want to make nobody, I want to make my contact. That so this is I do. So you can make it here offline, just on tap. So you see tick mark on right side, that means nobody can see you online. So okay, this is this is your way to make or nobody your emo offline. So thank you for watching this video. If you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you very much.